following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, extreme northern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, Lee County in north-central Illinois, southern Boone County in north-central Illinois, southern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, southwestern MCHENRY County in northeast Illinois, until 7:30 p.m. At 1:31 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the warned area. Rainfall rates from slow-moving storms may approach 2 to 3 inches per hour. Star runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include DeKalb, Dixon, Genoa, Oregon, Rochelle, Sandwich, Shabana, Sycamore, Walton, Amboy, Ashton, Cortland, Franklin Grove, Hillcrest, Hinckley, Kingston, Kirkland, Malta, Paw Paw, Somonauk and Waterman. Precautionary/preparedness actions: flooding is occurring or is imminent. Most flood-related deaths occur in vehicles. Do not attempt to cross water-covered bridges, dips, or low-water crossings. Never try to cross a flowing stream, even a small one, on foot or in a vehicle.